Today we are going to see a short story of the broken pencil. One day, a little boy named Arav was upset because his pencil broke while he was writing. He threw it away angrily and asked his teacher for a new one. His teacher smiled, picked up the broken pencil, and began writing with it. See, Arav, she said, even though it is shorter and broken, it can still write beautifully. What matter is not how it looks, but what it can do. Moral: don't give up when you feel broken or weak. Your true worth lies in what you can still create and share with the world. Thank you.